Hi and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at part 1 of my garden series. We are going to be preparing the garden and also CBL all around. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Will be highly appreciated. So let us start. Okay, so this is what we're dealing with so far. I did a much more smaller space compared to what I had initially planned because I'm so tired. Done for now. This is what we're working with. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and we'll see each other on part 2.